So good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about in our fourth class. Today we are going to discuss a nice topic. What is the topic name? Guess. So what is that? See, animals. Animals only, okay, it is right to present. What is that? Animals and living things. What does it mean? Animals are living things or not? Yes, animals are living. Okay na? And how to survive, everything we are going to discuss in our topic. In this today topic we are going to discuss animals living and surviving. How it will try to survive. Everything we are right to discuss today. Okay na? Now without delay we'll start the topic. Now, so what is that? Introduction is there, Amma? So what is the introduction? First of all, I want to give an introduction to you all. Can you guess what is that introduction for that? Animals are there, na? The process of developing. You know that developing is there, na? The process of developing some futures. So what does it mean? In our animals also having any developments are there? Yes, we have some developments. What kind of the developments are there? Can you guess what it will be? So process of developing some futures to suit the immediate environment is called as a adaptation. Okay. So definition, we got it. Just I'm going to underline. I'm going to explain to you. What is that? The process of developing some futures to suit the immediate environment. For example, I'll say that you can say that developing some future means our human beings are there. For example, our human beings will need food. Our human beings need houses. Yes or no? So we are right to drink. We are right to live. We want clothes. We want, okay. So everything our human beings are what it needs. Everything we are right to adapt. Adaptation is nothing but in our environment, how to live. You can take care of that kind of things are right to call as a adaptation. Adaptation means we can receiving. We can adjust the environment. For example, if you go to the America has a cool country. Yes or no? We can adjust. We can try to buy the sweaters. We can try to buy the food items or different type of food items. These are called as a adaptation. Okay, children? See here. So for example, see in these animals are there. See, so some kind of the polar regions are having the bears are there, fox is there, and different type of animals are there. Na? According to their region, it will try to adapt. It is right to take care of their things. Correct or not? So that's why that is the reason. Okay, na? Now comes to the other one. That is a habitat. Okay, or habitations. Anything you can take. Habitat. What does mean by habitat actually? So I'm going to show what is mean by habitat. Everyone has to think about that habitat. Habitat according to their habitations. Habitat is nothing but what is it? Habitat is a different type of living organism. In lower classes you already learned about the different type of living organisms are right to present in a one place. Okay, right to adapt. According to their habitat, animals are divided into a how many categories it will divided? 5 major categories. You already know this one because lower classes it will be there. Okay na? According to their habitat, animals divide into 5 major groups. Okay, what are they? I'm going to discuss. First one is a terrestrial animals. What it will be? Terrestrial animals. See, terrestrial animals means I'm going to discuss with you. Terrestrial animals. So what is meant by terrestrial animals? First of all, total groups I'm going to discuss. Then after that, I'll explain each and everything. Terrestrial animals, and next one is a aquatic animals. What it will be? Aquatic animals. Second one, and third one, what it will be? amphibious. Okay na? Amphibious. Sorry, amphibians. Amphibians also one of the group of animals. Next one is also there. Okay. What it will be? Arboreal animals. What is that? Arboreal animals. So these are the four completed na? So last one is there. Next one is the aerial animals. What it will be? Aerial animals. Okay na children? Understood all of you? Aerial animals. See, these are the five categories. Terrestrial animals, I will show, underline it. Terrestrial animals and aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals and aerial animals. So these are the five categories of animals are there. Terrestrial, aquatic, amphibians, arboreal animals and aerial animals. These are the five categories of animals are right to present. Okay na? So then comes to the first one is a terrestrial animal. Okay. So terrestrial animals. So what is a terrestrial animals? I am going to discuss with you, all of you. Now you see that terrestrial animals. What it will be? Terrestrial animals is nothing but animals that live on land. Okay, simple. On land, which kind of the animals are right to present? All are called as a terrestrial animals. Okay na children? Animals that live on land is called as a terrestrial animals. For example, what kind of the terrestrial animals are there in your home? Any animals are there? On land only. For example, dog is on land or not? Yes, definitely dog is on land. So cheetah is also one of the fox. Anything you can take that is on land. See here, the photograph is showing as a elephant, tiger, okay, lion, okay. So crocodile, everything. The crocodile is having the inside of the water and outside of the water also it is right to present. Yes or no? Snake, giraffe, dogs, monkeys. So cheetah, camel, everything, zebra. Every animal is once you check. So these are all are on land. These animals will try to present. Okay na? Understood all of you children? The next one go for the another one is what is that? Features of animals. Okay? So features of terrestrial animals. What is the features of a terrestrial animals, Amma? See here, terrestrial animals have the four legs and that help them to walk on land. What does it means? The four legs are present. Every animal have four legs. These are the terrestrial animals. Each and everything is a four legs or not? Definitely. They have a pair of lungs to breathe. What does it means? Lungs are there not to breathe. For example, our human being is also one of the animal, right? We also having the lungs are there. Yes, definitely. And see here, four legs means we divide into two legs and two hands we divided. But animals are not like that. So totally four legs are there. They have a pair of lungs that help them to breathe. Definitely it is right to pair of lungs are there. It is right to breathe. Okay na children? And next one, what is the next category of the benefit for the terrestrial animals means they have, what is that? What is that? So they have well developed. So all there are sense organs are there. Do you know sense organs? What does it means? Ears, eyes, nose, tongue, okay, skin. These are all our five sense organs are there. How many sense organs are there? So five sense organs are there. Five sense organs. Okay na? So sense organs are there. Just wait. I'll write neatly. 1 minute. Five sense organs are there. Okay na? So 5 sense organs. Okay, so what are the 5 sense organs? You already know in lower classes, you already learned. Okay, now go for the another slide. So what does it means? Next one, deserts also having the some kind on land only, but having the deserts. So deserts also having some kind of the animals are there. So what kind of the plants are there in a desert? I'm going to discuss with you. Okay, children. Once we discussed and we are ready to see that is a conserve water. See, this desert kind of the animals are right to conserve the water in their bodies. For example, desert area water is not present properly. That's why it is right to conserve. Conserve means that is a utilization or less utilization or right to protect for the next future. Yes or no? And survive without food. Sometimes food is not available. It can try to survive. That is a desert areas. Some animals are right to do it. So survive without food and water for many days. Not for one day. Okay now? Okay now? So and water for many days we have. So see here. And next one is a, what does it means? That is a protecting. So conserve water in their bodies. Water is not present also, it is right to conserve it. That is a one of the thing. And next one is a survive without food and water for many days also. So many days also, if water and food is not there also, it is right to survive it. Okay now? And protect themselves from the heat and coldness. For example, coolness and hotness is there, means in a desert areas. So sudden more hotness will be there. Might be right also, right to protect. Once you see this kind of the animals and everything is there. Once you see desert area, it will try to present. Now I'll show this one. See that. So kangaroo and camels, some kind of the birds, snakes. In a desert area, it will be right to present them. Okay, now children, all of you. Okay, comes to the other one. What is the other one? Mountain regions. In a mountain areas also some kind of the animals are right to present. You already know this kind of the mountains also having the some kind of the animals are present. Na? What it will be? So here long thick curves and what does that means? Wavy. So codes are there, right? Yes or no? See, the mountain regions are animals are there, na? They're having the long, thick curves and wavy coats of a fur. Because mountain regions, what it will be? Mountain regions are very cool and weather is a different. Yes or no? That's why it is right to protect from the coolness also. That's why it is right to protect from the coolness. That's why wavy type of coats and right. The God gift, that is a. So we are right to use it. We are right to get the some kind of the codes or something to protect us. But animals are not like that, na. Animals are not to buy. Animals are not to bring anything. Yes or no? That naturally they are in their body also it is ready to generate to protect the coolness or hotness or from the temperature. In a low temperatures also it is ready to survive it. How it will survive? By using of a fur type of curves and thick skin will be there. That's why in a hilly regions, means hill regions are there na, hill stations are having the more coolness. That is also one of the reason. Once you see that in a hill stations, that kind of the bull, once you see that the bull is right to protecting from the coolness like a long fur. Okay, so these are the things are right to present. These are the mountain regions. Okay, now children, understood all of you? So these are the things are right to present in our day-to-day life. I'll comes from the starting onwards, because so here that is a what kind of the things are right to present. Okay now. So in our these are the introduction topic, the process of developing some features to suit the immediate environment is called as a adaptation. So children, you better to write this information in your notes, and it is just useful to the further in question answers also it will useful. Adaptation means the process of developing some features to suit the immediate environment is called as a adaptation. So here this we have the 5 major groups are there. Just I will show 5 major groups are there. What is the habitat animals? Terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals, aerial animals. What is that? How many kinds of the animals are there? First one is the terrestrial animals, and next one is the aquatic animals, and next one is the amphibians, and next one is the arboreal animal. These are all the, and next one aerial animals. Actually these are the different type of animals are present. Okay na? So we started only discussion about the terrestrial animals only. Terrestrial animals also having the different category of terrestrial animals are there. Once you see animals that live on land is called as a terrestrial animals. Once you see that, so these are the animals are there where it will be right to present on a land. Can you see this kind of the animals in our day-to-day life? Most probably where it will be monkeys will appear, that's it. Other won't appear. Yes or no? Camels also it will appear, na? Maybe camels also it may appear. Correct? And these are the different type of examples are there. Comes to the features of a terrestrial animals means what kind of the features? See here, they have the 4 legs. Definitely each and every animal has a 4 leg. Once you see that 4 legs are there, see 4 legs, each and every animal has a 4 legs. Okay na? Each and every animal have a 4 legs, and it is walk on the land. Okay, so they have the pair of lungs that helps them to breathe. So it will help to breathe it. Okay, and they have well developed sense organs also there. Okay na children? And next when will deserts area. Okay, so desert area we have the different type of desert area plants are there. So what does it means? Conserve the water in their bodies. Some kind of the plants, some kind of the animals are right to protect from the other things also, like a cool or anything. Yes or no? This is a desert area. See that desert area of animals are right to present. So then next one is a mountain regions are there. See, mountain regions means there is a long and thick of heavy coats. See here, this is a bull is there na. This is once I am going to show you as a bigger one. Once you see the mountain areas, how that is a skin has to present. Is the skin is a different or not? Definitely. Okay na. So that's all children. So remaining things by tomorrow next class I am going to discuss with you. Okay na. Alright. Thank you.